Aaron here for the love of tech, and I know it has been a minute since we have been together. But we are here today because I have done something extraordinary, incredible. I managed to go all the way through this whole entire Pixel Fold season without ever really looking at the Fold. All I did was buy it. That's it. I didn't watch the Google I.O. I didn't watch any videos. I saw a couple little images on the Twitter and the YouTubes and stuff. However, I've watched no videos. I know nothing about the goodness, the features, the everything that it promises to offer me. So today we have it and we're gonna go ahead and look at it now. Warn you right now, I am absolutely in love Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. I love this phone. I love it so much. I don't want to stop using it, but it's kind of time that I get back to being with you guys every single day and making some videos. So I told myself when something new and fun comes out, I'm gonna rev it back up, and today we are revving. Here we go. My Pixel Fold was slightly delayed and something about weather, I guess. So getting it a couple days after everybody else, which doesn't bother me at all. I'm not first, it's okay. But I'm the first one to do my unboxing. So welcome to For the Love of Tech's Unboxing, that's right. And we have paper and we have a box. Don't be silly. I'm not gonna throw it, it's brand new. This thing was like $100 million. It might be one of the most expensive smartphones that we've ever purchased. It was like $1,700 or something silly. If I didn't just throw the box and everything, I would look it up for you. But here we go. Team Pixel, which I am a proud fizzling out member of. Please don't kick me out. Still love you all. Proud member of Team Pixel. So I was more than happy to buy this with my own hard-earned money. I don't think they gave them to anybody because they were super expensive. I bet you Marquez got one. So typical, I'm gonna call it Apple fashion because this is very Apple-esque. They have little arrows that like, hey, pull here. So Apple-esque opening, I call it. Google, could be original. I guess they are original. Apple doesn't have a foldable phone yet. Look at this! Look at this, so pretty. Look at it. Can you see it? Can you see it? Oh, it is so nice. It's nothing like anything I'm used to. Just comparison. S23 Ultra, beautiful color, by the way. Look at it's about the same width. It's about the same width, but look at that height difference. Oh, okay. It's pretty close to the same width. Look at that. It's super close. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get into her. But this is an unboxing, so we're gonna unbox the boxing contents. So we have this, which is a pile of nothing. We have this little treasure, little blue Pixel book. We have this USB-C to USB-C cord, and then we've got an adapter because we need an adapter, and still no charging brick. We just have like $1,700 little smartphone. No charging brick. I find that a little baffling, but it's okay. We have this wonderful blue pamphlet that, you know, Google gave us to accompany the SIM card ejector tool. So everything kind of serves a purpose here. This is the device. This is a full hold. This is like the first time I'm really holding this guy. Wowzers! It feels so unique. It feels so different. I love different things. I love unique things. I love things that not everybody else has. And I don't think everybody's gonna run out and get this phone. I mean, the techie YouTubers, of course, because that's what we do. But normal other people, maybe not. Power users, wow, this is so cool. Look at this screen. Ooh, this is so nice. What? It was like little hinges come out from inside the phone. Watch this. It's like little hinges. Little hinges. You see those inches? Do you see that? Okay, so the camera isn't quite as beefy as this one, or from what I recall, my Pixel 7 Pro. So a camera test is definitely in our near future. So for right now, let's turn it on. Go. Powered by Android. No. This is the Pixel Fold. This was just a filing in some patent one day, and now it's in my hand, and that's pretty cool. Look at that. This is pretty cool. So get started. Yeah, get started. I know what I'm doing here, buddy. Let's get this thing going. Oh, I can't wait to use this. Installing the SIM, easy peasy. Phone's activating. Ooh, so this is the Pixel screen. I don't know if the phone itself is wider, but it feels wider in your hand compared to holding this one for sure. And I think it's because of these outer bezels here. And it's about the same size. You know, you're not getting any more thickness than you got on this one for sure. But this feels phenomenal, and you open it up and it's like just this bigger screen inside. It's like, wow, this is gorgeous. It's different feel from the Fold 4 or the Fold 3, which is a Samsung device, of course. Now I'm super interested to see how this compares to photos with the Galaxy S23 and even the Pixel 7 Pro. So Google, you did something new. Be proud of yourself. Be happy. First generation. This thing feels great. I haven't even gotten into the cool features yet, so I'm really excited to discover what they are, what this split screen can do for me, what it can do for you, and I will report back to what I found. Guys, you like what you heard today? You want to see more of me, or you just want to come back to the channel, like, comment, subscribe, and want to go ahead and pay me the ultimate creator compliment, share my content with your friends and family on social media. Until next time, for the love of tech, namaste.